In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or turn on ChromeOS AI on your Chromebook. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the system launcher down your taskbar and search for settings. Best result, should go back with settings here. Go ahead and open that up. And now you want to select on the left side where it says, it probably will say Chrome OS AI. I just am using a variant of Chrome OS here, or version of Chromium, I guess. But in your case, it should say Chrome OS AI here. And over on the right side, just select where it says Enable Chrome OS AI. If you want to toggle, that's the right to turn it on. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.